Oh heck. What do we got here? God, I love the security. Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. Nice. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, I just got my Uforia today and I'm super excited. One, because it's been 7 days without it. And if you've ever stopped working out, you can understand how this feels. But, you know, if you've watched the 10 benefits of Uforia that I experienced, short-term benefits, you'll understand that all 10 of those went away in some way, kind of gradually. So super happy to see this. I did also start the Kangen water, and I had a small Kangen flu, but that water is amazing, by the way. So here we go. This is our Uforia. Usually there's a logo on the box. So this is my ingredients. So what you want to do is look at these ingredients, and this is the base blend, and then go ahead and take these and just see what it would cost you if you bought those at GNC or Vitamin Shop or somewhere. It's pretty interesting. I found that I saved another almost $1,000. So let's do this. Upside down, I love it. And here we go. This is my own personal nutrition made on September 5th. And let me tell you something else. You see this package right here? Don't take it out. It's there for a reason. It's the only thing that's preserving your nutrition, so make sure you don't take that out. Leave it in there. A couple things on dosages. You know, I take mine 5 in the morning and 5 at 11 a.m. When I take it at night, I find that I can't sleep as well. I'm kind of up and I'm, you know, going until 2 a.m., which is not always good. Like I said, I'm doing well on 6 and 7 hours sleep now. So, you know, this is it. Nutrition, being you never felt better. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing.